Storm eowyn has arrived. It has hit the coast of the UK. And it is time to take the plunge and go out into the storm. It is 20 past 11 at night, so the storm is in full swing. The winds are predicted to get up to 100 miles an hour with ferocious rain, so we must be careful while taking this walk. This is for educational reasons only. Please, everybody, stay at home, safe, and do not attempt to go out into this storm. Leave it to the professionals. The extra protective gear is on. Let's go. Okay, so it's quite gusty at the minute. The rain's eased off a tiny bit, but it's still raining. It's just strong gusts of wind. The rain's starting to pick up. There's gusty wind and not very heavy rain at the moment, but very, very windy. Shelter under here in the local park bit. You can see I'd say the gusts are around 50 miles an hour at the minute. They'll definitely be picking up later. Omnious, you can just hear this roar in the background. There's just constant roar up in the sky with these sudden powerful gusts. Just Gaia reminding us who's truly in charge when it comes to planet Earth, you know. Who really holds the power, all this energy, and this is a perfect display of the energy and the power that Gaia, planet Earth, holds deep within her very soul. Amazing stuff. Oh, get hit with a big gust here. That was a big one. They're getting stronger. Looks like it could snap at any moment. Okay, I'm thinking what we can do here is see if we can get a different viewpoint to over by the water. very windy. Coming up to sort of 20 to midnight now. Got these trees everywhere. The rain's starting to pick up now, as well as the wind. It's an insane gust there. That was easily over 50 miles an hour. Just wish there was somewhere I could get a safe bit of shelter. Let's see if I can. Back in this spot, I'm just really worried about these trees above me. Got these trees here. Got some water on the lens now. More water on the old lens. See if I can clean that up a bit. See if I can get under here. Oh. You know, I didn't have a plan where I was going to film. I just thought if I could get out into the weather, then the camera, you know, the power of the wind. We've been very, very lucky with the rain. Yes, it's raining, but not as bad as what it could be. It's actually starting to get a lot worse now. But the storm's definitely picking up. The wind is ferocious. Here comes the rain. Jeez. Yeah. The rain's starting to come in sideways. Yeah. Ooh. Wow, it's really coming down now. Oh geez, here we go. Okay, here we go. Okay. See the rain coming in sideways now. Stormy eowyn. It's definitely arrived. And if I had a nice chat, I'd probably sit out here all night. But we're going to start heading back because this is not comfortable. Oh, let's go.